Hello, grade 10s. So today we're looking at question 3 from Gauteng June paper. Okay, it's a provisional paper, paper 2, question 3. Now, this is part of Trig again. And what we asked to do here is we're asked to solve this and determine the value of theta if theta is an element of 0 to 90, meaning to say your angle must be acute. So here, acute angle, we cannot give us an angle above 90. Okay, so without the use of a calculator. Now remember what I have said again, without the use of a calculator means what is it? Don't leave your answer as a decimal. You must not use a calculator, because what you need to understand that you will use a calculator and how, because you need to find maybe tan 30, what is tan 30, but you must write it as a fraction and keep it as a fraction. Okay, now let's look at this question here. We are saying tan 30 and we've got cosec 30, but just before we continue, we need to understand what is cosec, because what is cosec? Cosec is 1 over sine. 1 over sine theta. Then what about sec? Sec is 1 over cos theta. Okay. What about what is it? Cot theta. Cot theta is 1 over tan. So what you need to understand here is that always your cosec is going to be the reciprocal of your value of sine. Now let's look at this question here. What is tan theta? We can just simply do that because we don't know tan theta. So I'm just telling you that when they say without using a calculator, just make sure that you leave your answer as what is it? As a not as a decimal. So here is root 3 over 3. So we can now put root 3 over 3. Okay, then we are multiplying. What about cosec theta? Cosec is 1 over sine. So here, if we are to say 1 over 1, so if we are to say 1 over, we put here sine 60, it will give us 2 root 3 over 3. So here it's going to be 2 root 3 over 3. Okay, so let's put it nicely here. 2 root 3 over 3. Okay, then here what we have over here, we're gonna have cos 45 sine 45. These two are equal, so we know that sine 45 we get root 2 over 2, and also cos 45 we also get the same, root 2 over 2. So here we've got root 2 over 2 times root 2 over 2. Okay, now what do we do from there? So what do we have from there, from the top there? From the top, what we see is that if we say root 3 times 3, root 3 times root 3 is going to cancel out the root. It's going to be 3. So here we're going to have 2 times 3 on top there. And what do we have here, which is going to be 9. Okay, then all over root 2 times 2, 2 times 2 here is going to be 2 over 4. Okay, so that's what we're going to have here. So here is going to give you, 6, but you can punch this all in the calculator. But now we just need to show the steps here. We're going to have, what is it, 6 over 9, okay, divided by. So when we say divided by half, it's more like we're saying divided by 1 over 2. Then this means that this is going to be 6 over 9 times 2 over 1, okay, which is going to be 12 over 9. In this case here, we have the common factor here, which is going to be 3. So 3 into 12 is going to give us 4. Then 3 into 9 is going to give us 3. Okay, so our answer there is going to be 4 over 3. Okay, that's your final answer then. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. So if ever you have any questions, what is it regarding, maybe you have got some questions, you know where to find us. There are our details. You can just WhatsApp for any assistance. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.